In this video, we review Galileo FX. Have you used Galileo FX before? What was your experience? Leave your Galileo FX review in the comments section below. Galileo FX is a forex trading robot designed for MetaTrader 4 (MT4) and MetaTrader 5 (MT5), allowing users to automate trades across various financial instruments. It boasts compatibility with multiple asset classes, including forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, indices, and stocks. What makes it stand out is the flexibility to trade up to 20 symbols simultaneously, enabling users to diversify their trading strategies. However, despite these promising features, user reviews paint a mixed picture of its effectiveness. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. One shocking statistic is the absence of recent verified results, which raises concerns about transparency. Despite being advertised as a versatile and powerful trading tool, there are no current live performance results on platforms like MyFXBook, which users often rely on to gauge the performance of automated trading systems. This lack of up-to-date results may deter traders who prioritize evidence-based decisions. Another surprising fact is that Galileo FX does not employ risky strategies like martingale or grid trading, which are commonly associated with high-risk robots. Instead, it offers customizable risk management features, allowing users to adjust position sizes based on their risk tolerance. This flexibility is a strong selling point for cautious traders, but the lack of backtesting results limits users' ability to assess long-term performance. The positives of Galileo FX include its adaptability and customization options. Traders can choose between fast, slow, or aggressive trading modes, depending on their preferences. The robot also comes with over 60 preset files for various market conditions and timeframes, covering popular forex pairs such as EUR/USD and GBP/USD. This level of flexibility makes it accessible to both novice and experienced traders, as users can either rely on the default settings or tweak the parameters to suit their specific needs. On the downside, the absence of thorough backtesting data is a major drawback. Backtesting is essential to evaluate a trading system's performance under different market conditions, yet Galileo FX falls short in this department. While some limited backtests are available, they lack the comprehensive historical data needed for robust analysis, which raises questions about its long-term viability. Another concern is the removal of verified MyFXBook results, which had previously been available on the Galileo FX website. These results were essential for showcasing the robot's real-world performance. Their removal without explanation has led to suspicion, leaving potential users in the dark about its current effectiveness. This lack of transparency has been criticized across multiple forums and review sites. In terms of pricing, Galileo FX offers 3 packages, Personal, Plus, and Pro, ranging from $199 to $799. Each version provides different levels of trading frequency and currency pair options, with the Pro version offering the most comprehensive functionality. While the pricing structure is competitive, the absence of a refund policy adds an element of risk for buyers who may be unsatisfied with its performance. In conclusion, Galileo FX presents a mixed bag. It offers versatility and risk management tools that are appealing to many traders. However, the lack of verified performance data and detailed backtesting raises concerns about its reliability. For those interested in trying the robot, it may be wise to start with a demo account and closely monitor its performance before committing real funds. While it has potential, these transparency issues may give traders pause.